honest, does your garden feel tired? Herb, patchy grass, dull corners, old pots collecting dust. It's not the peaceful outdoor retreat you once imagined. Most people give up thinking small gardens can look stunning, but that's the biggest mistake. Welcome to Relax Garden, where we turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary escapes. In today's episode, we'll reveal unique and easy small garden makeovers for 2025. Simple updates that bring new life, color, and calm even the tiniest outdoor areas. We'll show how modern garden design ideas and budget-friendly transformations can turn your backyard, balcony, or patio into a cozy haven. From creative container gardening and mini vertical setups to stylish outdoor seating and warm garden lighting, these ideas prove size doesn't limit beauty. Imagination does. So before we dig in, take a second to like, share, and subscribe to Relax Garden, your home for 2025 garden design trends, easy DIY makeovers, and peaceful outdoor inspiration. Cherry Blossom. Let's begin with the foundation of your small garden makeover: layout and texture. Start by defining zones: a sitting nook, a green corner, and a simple pathway. Use stepping stones, wooden decks, or gravel paths to give structure and flow. Go vertical. Install wall planters or hanging pots to save space while adding greenery. Mix trailing vines with colorful blooms for that layered, natural look, a hallmark of modern garden design 2025. Even the smallest gardens can look luxurious with the right lighting. Add solar lanterns or LED garden strips to create that evening glow. And remember, minimal doesn't mean empty. It means intentional. Blossom. Now comes personality, the soul of your garden. Add a touch of you through unique planters, DIY garden art, or a rustic corner bench with soft cushions. Play with color themes, maybe a calming neutral palette, or bold contrast using annual flowers like marigolds, petunias, and dahlias for a cheerful vibe. If maintenance worries you, go for low-maintenance plants and succulent arrangements that stay fresh with little effort. Include a small water feature or stone bowl fountain for serenity. Sound, texture, light. These layers make even the tiniest garden feel alive and intentional. With these easy garden transformation ideas, you'll be surprised how a forgotten space becomes your favorite place to unwind. Sheaf of rice. Your garden doesn't need a full renovation. It needs a little imagination. These unique small garden makeovers for 2025 are proof that beauty grows anywhere when you design with purpose. So step outside, clear the clutter, plant something fresh, and create a corner that feels like peace. Herb, because your outdoor space isn't just a garden. It's your daily dose of calm. Here at Relax Garden, we'll keep bringing you modern garden ideas, seasonal design trends, and tiny space transformations that make outdoor living effortless. If you love today's makeover inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's make 2025 the year your garden finally reflects you.